Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do a detailed review on this Tikom cordless stick vacuum. This is model number V500. Now Tikom did send this to me for free for testing. Here's everything that comes in the box. It comes in a pretty small box. We got a crevice tool, brush tool. It does come with a wall mount, a charger. Now the thing I like about the charger is it's got already a charging port in the wall dock, and you're going to plug this into the bottom and it kind of rotates. So we'll see how this works. And plus you can store two tools up here. It comes with a nice manual and the screws to mount the wall dock. Here's the brush head. Looks like we got some lights. Here's the actual vacuum. Now you want to charge it before you first use it. It comes with about 50% charge. And the way I charge it is I plugged it right in here, or you could use the wall dock to charge it. There's a really nice display up here. But the thing I like about it is you're gonna press the trigger and it stays on. Now it starts off in a low mode. It's a touch screen, so if you press this, it'll go to high. Press the button again, it turns it off. The display will show you the battery percentage. And then when it fills up, you're gonna press, there's a big arrow here, press this down and everything's gonna come out. That's really, really nice. Now if you need to take this apart for further cleaning, let's explain that. You're gonna press this button and this is gonna rotate. There's a button right here. This is gonna rotate off, okay? Now there's a filter up here, take this out. There's a screen here that we can clean, and there's a HEPA filter right here that we can clean also. Put it back together. We can wash this off if we need to. There is an electrical connection right here, so be careful of that. Let's put it in back together. There's a big notch right here. So put that's where that's gonna go. Make sure that's nice and flush. You're gonna hook this. There's no other disassembly up here. You take the battery out by pressing this button. There's how the battery slides out. I'm gonna leave the battery in, so you could replace the battery if you needed to. So we're gonna hook this and rotate this in. I'll show you. It goes together really easy. I find assembly and disassembly very easy. Hook it right there, rotate it, and it clicks into place. Close that, you're ready to go. Now let's take a look at the brush head. It is a powered brush head. Again, it's got some lights on here, but we can take this off. So there's an unlock button right here. Move this to the unlock position. Okay, I earlier taken it out. I didn't have it assembled right. But anyway, it comes assembled, but you can take this brush roller off. So you're gonna move this to the unlock position and it pops open. Now I can take this brush roller out. I can clean this if I need to. It's got some soft bristles. We've got a comb in here to help get the long hairs off of it. Now to reassemble it, put that in, there's like a gear, rotate it. Now you want to hook this front part, so you're going to rotate this in, hook that front part, then rotate it, and it clicks into place. So yeah, this looks really nice. Again, there's our charging. We got a crevice tool and a brush tool that has a little brush that can slide down. And here's our telescoping wand. So that's really, really nice. Now the neat thing about these, so if you got stairs, you can attach the brush roller right to the power head, turn it on. You can clean your stairs. Again, high mode right here. I can attach the crevice tool right to the tool, right to the vacuum itself. And let's attach the wand. I like when they have telescoping wands. They ship in a smaller box, and it's a very sturdy wand. You know, it comes apart really easy. And again, to telescope it is this right here, so I can move it. I'll measure all of this, but I can make it short or long. Let's measure that. Okay, the overall length from the wheel to the handle is 40 inches. Yeah, the wheel to the handle, 40 inches. Now you can collapse that. That's what all the way collapsed. It's 31 inches. So you get about a 10-inch extra motion. Again, different positions. So whatever position is right for you, just press that button. Very easy to adjust. And this is very sturdy. Okay, we got a big mess on carpet. We're gonna turn it on, but we're gonna have to go to high mode. High mode. All right. It's very lightweight. I like that it's not loud either. Moves really easy. It's picking up these big, I got some beads in here. Really heavy beads. Wow, it's doing a really good job in this area right here. All right, let's go to a carpet. I'm sorry, a rug. Again, that's a really good job. Got some hair, some dog hair on the carpet. Yeah, it's doing a great job. I like how lightweight it is, powerful, and quiet. All right, now we're on actual hardwood floor. I could turn it down. Let's go to low. Okay, it's doing a good job. Might want to go up to high. All right, let's just clean. Rolls real easy. Making short order of all of this. I think that's some of the beads that are going around in it. Okay. I made a big mess, but I think I've got it pretty well cleaned up in the area I was vacuuming. 80% left on the battery. Pretty nice. Again, lightweight, portable. Press the trigger, turns it off. Wow, it did a really good job. Let's go empty it. Okay, so you could leave the wand attached if you wanted to empty it, but there's this big button right here. I like that. Wow, everything comes out. A little bit of hair left up there around that. Once in a while I will have to take this off and clean it, but I'm ready to go for the next time. Now the vacuum doesn't stand upright on its own, but it does have this wall mount. And again, you're simply going to put, the wall mount goes like this. The tools are going to face down. And again, they click into place so they stay. You're going to screw this into the wall, put the charger in up at the top. That's what I like. You're not routing the cable down through the wall mount. You're just simply going to put the card charging cable, there's a spot for it like that. And now to charge it, when you mount this to the wall, simply put the top in first, rotate it, and then it's going to stay. So here's how the wall mount would look. And again, when you want to use it, simply just rotate it and take it out. Put it in, rotate. That's a very nice wall mount. I really do like this Tikom cordless vacuum cleaner. I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.